Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up a full image and important files so you can recover if anything fails. Next, confirm the new drive's capacity and smart health to avoid mid-process failure. Create bootable media now. Use installation ISO or a cloning utility on a USB. Once done, boot into BIOS or UEFI to set USB as first boot device. And note whether your system uses legacy BIOS or UEFI with GPT, so you choose the correct installation or cloning approach. Now execute the core transfer. If cloning, run the sector clone, resize partitions afterward, and verify file system integrity. If doing a clean install, boot the installer, delete old OS partitions on target drive, create new partitions matching UEFI or BIOS requirements, then install. After installation or clone, install or update drivers and run system activation tools. Make sure the target drive holds the proper EFI or bootloader. Once complete, test booting from the new drive and confirm all peripherals and apps function correctly. Finish by setting the new hard drive as primary in BIOS/UEFI and removing or disabling the old drive from boot order so the system boots cleanly. Once booted, install updates, run disk checks, and confirm applications and files are intact. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Run the OS repair environment and use boot repair tools such as Bootrec or BCD Boot for Windows or reinstall Grub for Linux. If cloning caused duplicate ID or activation issues, reactivate or regenerate UIDs as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.